Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your location on your iPhone. Now, first just head into the Settings app on your iPhone. The first place I would recommend checking, and the first option, is to tap on your name at the very top. Let's say if we want to freeze your location in the Find My app or the Find My location, the first option you have is to tap on Find My, and then you can see Find My iPhone is currently turned on. Now you have an option to be able to disable the Find My option here. You can completely turn it off here, or where it says Share My Location, you can turn this off. Now this will disable the Find My feature. However, in this instance, it'll say, hey, this Find My feature has been disabled. So this isn't the best option out there. I would recommend only doing this if you don't like the other options, but the next two options are a bit better than this one. So let's leave that on, and instead of that, we can swipe down from the top right, and we can toggle on airplane mode. Now what this will do is it will disconnect from your cell signal, indicating that it won't be able to find where you currently are. Again, this isn't the perfect solution because it will just stall with where you previously were, and it just won't update to where you currently are. And on there, it'll say last location, a couple hours ago or something like that. However, this is a good option if you just wanted to do it for, say, an hour or so while you run out of the house for something. However, if you don't necessarily want to do that, you do have a third option that is probably the best option of all of them. Now, on that option, we're going to head into the Find My app here. And if you tap on the Me button at the bottom right, you'll be able to see here, it shows your current location on here. But the key is, you can see it says Share My Location, and it says share from this iPhone. So essentially, wherever you go with this iPhone, it is sharing your location. Of course, you could just leave your iPhone home and then they can't track this iPhone. However, a better option is if you toggle this off, share my location on this iPhone, and then if you have a different device that's an Apple device, like an iPad or another iPhone or a Mac, you can just turn on Share My Location on that other device. Essentially what you're doing is enabling Share My Location on the other device that you'll leave home, and then you're going to turn it off on this device. When you get back home, just turn it back on this device on your iPhone, and then turn it off on your iPad or Mac or other iPhone, and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.